Good morning, dear parents. Hope everyone is fit and fine, healthy, and happy. So, today we are going to start our class by helping our children to remember the things that we have already taught them. So, today we will be revising the letter B. We will ask them to point out the letter B with the pointer finger. Now, this is our pointer finger. We are also going to place it so that children will learn from us. So, now we are going to ask them to point the letter B. So, they are going to point the letter B here. Then we will ask them to name and identify the objects relating to the letter B. So they are going to relate the pictures, they are going to look at the pictures and they are going to name them accordingly. B for bus, B for ball, B for bag, B for bun, B for bat, B for pet, B for butterfly, B for baby, B for bell. Now, when the children are saying the words or naming and identifying the different objects, help them to speak out the words correctly. They must learn the correct pronunciation. Make sure how we are teaching them in school, they must follow the same way at home too. Now, since they have already learned the letter B, so now we will be helping them to color a ball. As the children have already colored an orange before, so they have got an idea how to color this ball. Let us draw in an A4 size paper. A plain paper will be better, or we can also draw in any other paper, but we must see that the drawing should be clear, the design should be clear. So now I have got here different shades and I'm going to choose only 4 colors, only 4 colors. So I have got the 4 colors ready here. It is pink, blue, green and red. I'm going to start with red color. Now we can see there are 4 blocks here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to help our children color each block with a different color. I'm taking the color red and make sure that the children hold the color properly. They shouldn't hold it on the tip or at the back, but just as we hold a pencil or a pen, help the child to hold the crayon in that way. Make sure the child does not hold the crayon this way. He or she should hold it correctly. Now this is a ball here and I'm going to start coloring. The first block will be red. Now as I have already told earlier, we must color from left to right. Make sure we don't teach the children the wrong method of coloring. Let the children do it slowly. They will take time to do, as it has got 4 blocks and there are different colors. Now I am making it colorful because the children love to see different colors and they find it attractive and they learn a lot from it. So we will do as the children would enjoy and would love to do. Let us not hold our children's hand for these colorings. Let them do it on their own. They will not be perfect, but they have to learn. So please do not color for them. Let them do it on their own. They will learn from the mistakes. Now, as we have colored the first block here, we will leave it now. Make sure it does not come out of the border and make sure there are no white patches when we are drawing or when we are coloring. Now I have already done with the color red, so I'll keep it in one corner and I'm not going to use that color. Next I have taken blue color and I'm going to color it with blue. The second block seems to be a little bigger. Have patience with the children. Let them do it slowly. Do not hurry them. Keep a watch on how they are holding the color pencils and how they are coloring. Make sure the child does not mix up the different colors. Now as the child is coloring, do not let any small children or any other sibling be beside him or her, as the children might get disturbed and they will not be doing their work correctly. Make sure we give them nice and attractive colors to color. Now this is blue color and the children are really enjoying to color. Now dear parents, we have already filled 2 blocks with the colors. We have done with the red color and the blue color. Now next we go to the third block and we are going to use the color green. So the children have come to the third block and they exactly know how to color each block. They have got an idea, as they have also colored the orange earlier. Make sure the ball is not just a plain ball, but you make different blocks for the children so that they will find it easier to color and it turns out to be more interesting. Let the child choose their own colors whichever shades they want to color, they want to fill in. Make sure the paper does not keep turning round and round. Make sure the paper is still. Keep a thick paper or a cardboard or a book underneath so that the child finds it easier to color. Now we will continue to color and let the child also continue coloring. As the child is nearing to the end, you will find the sheet will be moving around. So make sure when you make the design or the drawing, please make it in the center so that it is easier for the children. Now we have also finished the third block. We have finished coloring it with the color green, and now we are going to go to the fourth block, and we will be using the color pink. You see how beautiful it looks. The different colors are really looking beautiful. Now we are going to add on to the fourth block, our last block. Children are really loving it. It is very, very interesting. They are enjoying it, and they would want to color more and more. They might ask you to give them more and more balls to color. There is no problem in giving them. Give them, it is good, so that they will practice more and more. Let us help our children to do it properly. Make sure some children are really hasty and they do it in a hurry. Make sure they do not give an untidy work. If they do so, help them to do it again. Now we are doing the color pink, and so now we have come to an end. We have finished our coloring. Here's the ball, and you can see there are perfect 4 colors: red, blue, green and pink. These colors are the colors which the children will really love to fill in. Please help our children to practice more and more of coloring and practice the different letters and the objects and the pictures related to it. Thank you, dear parents. This was all for today. And one more thing, also help them to recite the poem, and make sure that you keep asking them the poem every time, once in a week or twice in or thrice in a week. Keep asking them so that they will remember. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you, children. Have a good day.